teamwagon.com. Once it comes to, so you check with someone who has internet. You are free to click on these top freebies. These are free templates, all of them. Beautiful templates. You see templates, very beautiful. Which one do you like? Choose for me. That nonsense. That one is nonsense. Scroll up. This one. Which one? This food. You like food. Yeah, you like that. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. So how do you take it? So let's use this one. So let's use this one. To use this one first, you do this. Look up. Look up. To do this, you click on live preview. Have you seen it? Have you clicked it? On that one, it will show you that. Okay, so you have live preview there, right? It is like this, bar. Enjoy delicious meal. So you can see the template. You will design a website that looks like this now. So we want to bring this template into Django and pour it there. No. Django is as easy as this. So you want to bring this template now. To do it is go back to here. Go back to this tab where you have all of them, right? Now this time don't click live preview again. Click the body of the template. So it's opening up and you see download here, right? So you click on download. It will download it for us. So you can use this template even in your normal HTML and CSS that Apostle is taking you on. You can use this template or any of the templates. They are free, but make sure you click on top freebies to get the free template. So it's downloading. So it downloaded here. We will click on it now. It's almost done. So once it's done, just click on it. It will take you to that folder. It's done, isn't it? So it's here, right? So if you are here, can I see your hand? Are you here? Go to your download folder. You've seen it, right? So click on it once. Once. I said once. What happened? It opened. It opened now. Cancel it. Drop your hands down. So click outside first. Have you? Click on it once. Right click. We want to extract that template so we can use it in Django. Any template you get, you extract so that you can even use it in HTML. And you don't need internet to do that. So you click on open with, no, sorry, extract files. This one. Extract files. Please do that. Extract all. Then click OK to extract it. So it extracts it for us, and then we have this sweet folder we need, right? Right? Are you there? Have you done it? So do you have this folder? It extracted for you, right? Double click on this folder. You've double clicked, right? Let me see your own. Double click again and show me what's it. Have you seen it? Let me show. Let me see. Okay, that's beautiful. Hold on for me. So I'm double clicking my own. So this is what I'm doing. I copy only the folders, not the files, only the folders. How do you do this? Click on the first folder, then hold down your shift key. Wait, hold down your control key and tap all the folders. Hold down your control key and tap all the folders. Only the folders, right? Click Ctrl C to copy. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Alright, here in Visual Studio Code, click File here. Open File. Click. Has this thing popped up? Now click here, Project. This one. No, go back. When this opens, look up again. When this opens, leave this one, leave this one, leave this one. Get to project. Let me see your screen. Repeat what you are doing. Close that. Let me see. Close it. File. Open file. Open file. So what's saying? So there. Open file, right? Let me see what I can do with it. Create a folder called static here. Okay. Double click the folder and paste what you have. Then close when it's done. When it's done. So look up, everyone. So we click on project here. If you don't find project, there is an arrow you can use to go back to project. So click on project here, right? Look up. Have you done? Are you done? Click on project here. Click here. Make sure you click on an empty space. Create a new folder called static. And then paste this. What you copied. All those folders you copied, right? I already did that for you. Now, if we follow the tutorial again, we have done this. Now, we have set up this part now. So one last line that is left is copy this line on that your tutorial. Have you seen this line? After working with static files, come down. Copy the entire line. So once you copy it, go to your settings. Click on settings here. Look up. So, are you there? Scroll down. To the end, right? This end like this. Enter, enter. And paste it. Have you pasted it? Save. Scroll to the very top. Where you have path. Here. Line 14. Line 13, 14. Have you seen 13? Look up. See what I'm doing? Enter. And type import OS. Import OS. that's done. That's all. So lastly, there are a couple of things we do. So we want to create a view. A view will help to present our template, right? So views are presentation layers in Django, in model view controller. How many of you want to study software engineering? So I'm teaching you software engineering today. That's how all those programming and everything we are doing. We fall into problem. You see, when you have errors, we are not angry. I had error. You make sure you are happy with the error. You try to solve it. So that's software engineering. Okay, disciplined approach to design software. Okay, that's that will not fail in the future, right? So the application of disciplined engineering approach to the development of software so that it will not fail in the long run. All right, so we want to create pages now, and good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We want to create pages now, and we're almost done. Sorry for all the stress. Most of the things will be copy and paste now. Are you ready? Copy and paste. So you can, this tutorial is still online. You can always study it and do it by yourself. I also have YouTube video you can follow up. Exactly me doing it without following the tutorial. I just do it, and it's very short and easy. So the director will help to guide you on that. So here we want to create a view. Okay, so to create a view, just copy this first. Have you copied this one? Creating pages with views, right? Have you copied it? Click to copy to just copy everything for you. Creating pages with view. You've copied it. Now let's go to copy now. Don't worry. I did copy. Alright, then go to your project. This place under front end, reduce everything like this. When you click, all of them are tidied, right? Have you tidied up your own like this? Close everything. Is it tidied up like that? Beautiful. Now click on front end. Once. Have you opened it? Click on the views under front end. Remove everything that is here. And paste what you have. Have you pasted it? It looks good, but I will explain this code. So let me just mention, what is this? Line 3. Clap for yourselves. That's why we had to start learning from Python, so that you understand what's going on. Okay? So, is this code, is it difficult for you? It's familiar because you know Python. So with Python you can do Django apps very easily. So on this line we are importing something from Django shortcut. That is normal. You don't need to understand what's going on, but we are importing render, and we will use render to render a page. We are rendering this page index. This index page will be inside of this front end. So that's why it's already there. This is the index page we are rendering. Okay, so that's what we are doing. So we return render, just like print render. You understand? Remember, at the end of the class I used return. I told you return is better than print. So that's just what we are doing, and this is a function. We will call that function soon. Do you understand me? Alright, so let's go to the next step. Alright, so having done that, we need to do two things, and you have to be very technical here. We'll be done in 15 minutes. I'm telling you, 15 minutes or less. Put your hands together for yourselves. Beautiful. Alright, so this is just what's left. Okay, so now go to the main project URL. Let me show you what I mean. Copy this first before you leave. Copy this one. Routing pages with URLs. Copy this. Right? 1.4, right? Copy it. Have you copied it? Alright, then go back to your code. Click on front end to reduce everything again. Have you? Now this name that has the same project name you have, this one that has the same name as the project name, this one. Click on it. Have you? This URLs, click on it now. Have you clicked on it? You have your comment like this. You see, what kind of comment is this? Put your hands together for yourself. So all those programming we learned, you see how they apply. Django already does it for you. The beauty about framework is that things are already done. Batteries, everything blocked. All you need to do just what you want and everything. So you don't need to start from beginning, right? So did you copy that? Remove this. Only that, not the comments. Only that part. Remove it and paste what you have. Have you? I will explain again what happens here. Okay. All right. So now, hope you understand up to this point. Let me just explain something. So this is trying to show us URL, our page, home page. But instead of putting the home page here, we are now pointing it to face our front end app, so that every page inside our front end app will be consumed here. Okay, so we point it from here and it will point to URLs in the front end. Now we are done here, right? So we've included it and we are done. It will look at our views also. Minimize this project. Click on front end. Have you? Front end does not have urls.py, so create a new file. This first one, and type urls.py. URL with s, right? .py. Enter. That file is empty, right? Go back to your tutorial. Are you there? Scroll down a bit. Just before 1.5, templating in Django, just before that one, copy this one. Copy. You've copied it. Let's go back. Paste it here. So it will point to our index.html file, and you have properly routed it. This so much protocol we are going through. Once we set it up, adding other pages and doing other things will just be copy and paste, and all of them are already in place. It is as easy as that. So the initial setup is difficult, but using it afterward is as easy as ABC. And the truth is, if you want to develop maybe a pharmacy software now, all you need to do is go and copy this project folder, paste it, change the name to pharmacy, add one or two things. It works alike. So that's the beauty of using framework, and I'm still using it. Currently using it's what I'm using. Okay, so it's nothing. I won't come and teach you old school and use new school. It's the newest school. You understand? So it's just that you advance, keep advancing, and I really thank God for all your passion. It's the first day, so it might be strange to you, but go back, watch the videos again. Tutorial, your apostle will take you through on most of the things and all the questions you ask him. Yes, no problem, sir. So put your hands together for your proprietor. All right, please. Thank you so much, sir. Do you know Uncle Life can sit like this from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight without eating, without going for... I want to go and eat myself. Did I go and eat myself since I came here? So, you like it that way, Abby? Yeah. Alright, so we are done with that. Just to complete, just that. So we pasted that there, right? So the last bit will be, we want to bring in that template that we downloaded, and that's the last bit. And sir, getting it up to this point, I almost because I knew the stress of coming to this point, but thank God, God has helped us to come to this point. So, so the last bit will be templating in Django 1.5. 1.5. So, so the last bit will be templating in Django. So we'll just copy this. Have you copied that? Go here where you have front end, template front end, where you have index release. Click here, right? Make sure you click. Have you clicked on it? Front end, this front end. This second one. Have you clicked on it? Okay, minimize everything. Have you minimized everything like this? You've minimized everything, right? Click on front end. This other front end, click on it. Click on new file. Type the layout dot html. Have you? Paste what you have. Have you pasted it? Okay. Copy this other one after that one. The next one. Have you copied it? Go to your index.html. This one. Index. Remove everything you have and paste it. Save. Alright, correct a few things. Change this to layout. This wrapper.html is called layout in our own, right? That's the only thing. Save. Go back and refresh that to your home page. Let's see. This one. Localhost 8000.